Sidewalks, bikeways, and trails get people safely and conveniently to places they want to go, like work, the bus stop, the grocery store, school, or a nearby park. They can also be enjoyed for exercise and relaxation. The Active Fairfax Transportation Plan project strives to improve access to safe streets and trails for all residents. Active transportation means travel by self-propelled, mostly human-powered activities such as walking, biking, rolling, hiking, running, and riding for transportation or recreational purposes. We need your help. Please visit our community input page at activefairfax.weebly.com. On this page, we invite you to share your insights and experiences with us in multiple ways. For instance, you could take our community survey. You can also help by providing input on 2 interactive maps. Your input on these maps will help us understand where you'd like to go and what's preventing you from getting there using active transportation, as well as what new trails, bikeways, and other street enhancements you'd like to see. To provide feedback through our community survey, just click on the Take Our Community Survey icon and you'll be well on your way to helping us improve active transportation in Fairfax County. If you would like to tell us where you would like to walk or ride to, and also identify any barriers you're having to active travel, just click on the link or icon for place points for key destinations and barriers. A map will appear, allowing you to identify these destinations and barriers. From there, use the map to zoom into your area of interest. Once you've located the right area, click the green Leave a Comment button. Then, place a marker on the map to identify this location. Use the Comment Type drop-down box to tell us what kind of issue you're facing at this location, and use the Comment text box to give us more details about this issue. You can even upload a photo attachment to help us better understand the issue. And when you're done, click the green Reported button. As you're identifying areas of interest, you may find that someone else has already reported the issue. You can see more details about their report by clicking on the icon on the map. Their report details will appear to the right of the map. If you agree with their comments, click on the heart symbol. The box will fill in with a green color when your agreement has been recorded. You can identify as many destinations and barriers as you would like, and you may agree with as many comments as you would like. You can come back at any time during the input period to add more destinations and more comments. If you'd like to suggest new trails, bikeways, and other street enhancements like lighting or landscaping, click on the New Trail and Bikeway Routes and Complete Street Enhancements button. You can also find this link and more information about complete streets on the homepage. This link will take you to a map showing the current planned trail and bikeways network. If you would like to suggest an additional trail or bikeway to the planned network, or suggest a complete street enhancement, you may do so on this map. To get started, use the map to zoom into your area of interest. Once you've located the right area, click the green Leave a Comment button. Draw a line on the map to highlight the trail, bikeway, or complete street. You can start the line by clicking on the map. Move your cursor to extend the line. Click once on the map to continue drawing the line in a new direction, and click twice on the map to end your line. Use the Comment Type drop-down box to tell us what kind of improvement you'd like to add along the line you have drawn on the map. Use the Comment text box to tell us more details about this improvement. You can even upload a photo attachment to help us better understand your suggestion. When you're done, click the green Reported button. As you're identifying areas of interest, you may find that someone else has already made a recommendation. You can see more details about their recommendation by clicking on their line on the map. It will turn blue and their report details will appear to the right of the map. If you agree with their comments, click on the heart symbol. The box will fill in with a green color when your agreement has been recorded. Thank you for helping us to improve access to safe streets and trails for all residents of Fairfax County. If you would like to stay connected and hear updates about this project, please make sure to sign up for the Active Fairfax Transportation Plan newsletter at www.fairfaxcounty.gov/transportation/bike-walk/Active Fairfax.